Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 laptop with 15.6-inch display. There is very little information on the box except maybe on one side where you get to see all the specs. Let's just go ahead and open this box and see what's inside. Okay, we have the charger first. Let's take a look at this. This is a 135 watt charger. There, close look. This is the 135 watt charger for this particular laptop. I'm going to keep this on one side. So this is what the Lenovo IdeaPad 3 looks like. You can tell there's a nice matte black finish on top. It is quite thick as well. There are some ports on this side. The power port, the LAN port, an HDMI port, an USB-A port, a USB-C port and 3.5mm port as well. What's on this side? On this side you can see just a USB-A port. That's more or less it. Anything on this side? No. On this side you will notice the IdeaPad Gaming logo. You can tell that this is on right now. It has a blue. The keyboards have a backlight. It is blue in color, and not just that, the keys are pretty large. All these arrow keys are very large, and there's also media control. Yeah, there you see there media control over here as well. As I mentioned earlier, this particular device runs on AMD Ryzen 5 4000 series and GeForce GTX. This is what it looks like, the dual fan and dual vent system. This particular laptop comes with 5 hours of battery life, and it can be charged, and you can get you can charge it up to 80% in 1 hour. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 15.6-inch laptop.